Hello, beautiful people. I am doing a quick tutorial video on how to create your own word search in Canva. I had a couple people ask me how I was able to do that and then add it to my newspaper template that I have for Mother's Day. So I wanted to come here and do a quick video for that. So of course you go into Canva, you type in word search, press enter, and there's going to be a ton of templates that come up. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. And then we're gonna just customize this to what we're wanting. So I'm gonna put a title on it, and the title can be whatever you want it to be depending on what you're creating the word search for. So you can say Mother's Day word search, you can say baby shower word search, birthday word search, anything that you're wanting it to be. I'm also going to move this up just a little bit because I want to add some words here at the bottom. And we're going to keep the Mother's Day theme. So I'm going to go in and add a couple of words that can be searched. We'll do mother, love, and family. And we'll put that on this side. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. And we're just going to change the wording out. We'll do kindness because I see that up there is already a word. So we won't have to even change that. We can do laugh, and then we can do caring, and we'll duplicate again, and we'll just do one more set of words. We can go ahead and do patient, and we can do hugs, and kisses. Why not? You can also put in things that pertain to that specific mother. So if her favorite color is purple, you can put that in there. Her favorite flower is a daisy. You can put that in there for her to find. So you can customize it to your liking. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bold these so they stand out. And again, you can make them a little bit smaller as well. And we're going to actually make this a little bit bigger. So I'm just highlighting all of it, and I'm just going to kind of get it as big as I can. Okay, so we have our words here. And so what we're going to do is just insert them into the word search. We already have kindness. So I'm just going to make this red for now, just so I know which words that I've already included in there. And then I'm going to go in and take the rest of these and just fill them in and then add in whatever else I need to. So we're going to put this as mother. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. And we're going to see if we can change this to mother. I might have to take off this part here. Yeah. So I'm going to take this part off here, and then we'll just go in and just put M. Let's try that again. M O T H E R. So we have mother here. Just going to do that just so that I can also see what I've done. I'm going to take this off and see if I can highlight kindness or not. I probably won't be able to. Yeah, because it's on a different row, but that is fine because we know we have kindness there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to go in and do love, and we can do it here where this flow is. So let's take this off, and we're going to do L O V So we have love there. Okay, so the next one we did was family. Let's do family here. We're going to take off this bar. And then we're going to do family, F-A-M-I-L-Y. So we have family done. And then we can go ahead and do laugh. We can do laugh over here. Oops, let's go back because I took a letter off. Laugh, A-U-G-H. So we have laugh. And then you just keep going on until you have it all filled up with all the words that you're wanting. I'm going to go back in and make this unbold. Just make sure you're keeping track of where you're putting your words and your letters. So if you want some that are going diagonal, make sure it doesn't interfere with any of the other words that you've already put in as well, just so there's no overlap. So we'll do one more. We could do caring. C-A-R-I-N-G. And I'm looking, some of my words look like they're a little funky for some reason, so I'm going to just see if we can line that back up to how it needs to be. This looks like there's an additional word or additional letter in there. Let's see if we can put something there because they're all the same size. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you can manipulate it different ways as well. You can change the fonts of the letters. I just made it as simple as possible. So I kept everything as is, and then I just and we can leave gratitude in there actually, because that was a good one to use for like Mother's Day. Yep, so we can use that one as one of the words as well. So that's how you actually do the word search. And then what you're going to do in order to have it as something that you can insert into your template or your design, you're going to, I'm just going to change this to white, change all of this to black. And then we are going to just save this as a word search. Oh, I forgot I have it in all caps. Word search. I'm just going to put example for now. And then you're going to go here and you're going to download. Keep it as a PNG, but you want to do transparent background. That way, whatever you're putting it on, if it's a different color background or anything like that, it'll still be, it won't have a background of its own. So then we're going to go to download. And then I'm going to go to my uploads. I'm going to upload my file. Oh, there we go. And hit open. And then once it has downloaded, you can put it into, like I said, into your design. So it's just important to save it as a PNG transparent background, and just to kind of show you find a color. So you can, make it any kind of color that you want to, depending on if it's like maybe for, say, birthday, and see if there's any kind of background that you want to do. Let's position this to the back. So you can do anything that you're wanting to do for the theme to go with the theme of your word search. So I just wanted to come by and just show you a quick tutorial on how to create a word search. Once you have your word search completed, make sure you save it as a PNG and a transparent background, and then you can insert it into your coloring books or the newspaper template if you want to change it around. You can have it as a freebie in an ebook or something like that. So this was just a quick tutorial. Again, if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave that down below. If you love this video and would like to see more, please make sure that you like and subscribe as well. And as always, thanks for watching and happy crafting. Bye.